Welcome to Spirit Sunday, beautiful souls. Today's reading brings messages from Spirit, higher guidance, and the energies preparing you for the next week ahead. So, today we'll do a reading. What is the upcoming week bringing in your love journey? I already pre-shuffled the cards. We'll pull out the cards and see how it goes. What is the upcoming week bringing in your love journey? Just remember, beautiful souls, that is, it's a collective reading for all signs in general. So take how it resonates and release if doesn't. So, where you are right now in love? The Hermit. What is influencing your week? King of Pentacles. A person's feeling or energy towards you. Ace, Ten of Swords. What action or shift happens this week? Five of Pentacles. What improves in your love path? Nine of Wands. What to focus on this week? Four of Cups. We'll also pull out the Oracle card and see what is this week's love blessing. Transformation. Okay. So we'll see how this week will go. So where are you right now in love? So you might be retrospecting or soul searching the way or the path you are in. So I feel you are having lot of dependency issues and you feel depressed and there might be lot of negativity in your life. Though you have lot of experience how to deal with situations, still you are trying to introspect and introspect how your life is going or how your love life is going. What is influencing your week? So, some financial issue that might be influencing your week. So, it can be you might get some financial opportunity which will make you more stable and abundant. And not only stable and abundant, it may give you also a powerful authority. That means you may get some job opportunity or some opportunity related to finances or some business opportunity. If you accept it, that will not only make you abundant but will also give you it will also bless you with a powerful role or powerful position. So you're introspecting and there might be some financial opportunity hitting you this week which will make you abundant. And once you are stable enough and once you feel abundant enough, then you may think on your love life or concentrate on your love life with a peaceful way. A person's feeling towards you. Someone is feeling betrayed. They are feeling this for you. Someone is feeling betrayed and they feel that this is the end of chapter with you and they feel very hurt and they are emotionally broke. So if you have any conflict between you and your partner, that is the reason why you are retrospecting your love path, then that person is feeling heartbroken at this time. And what action or shift happens this week is, as I said, this person is feeling heartbroken and the action or shift will happen is, it will be a failure of emotions, a failure of relationship or a failure of health. So just check on this weak energy because it's not very good actually. So if you have a lot of conflicts with your person, just try to sit and talk and clear things out. Don't make it more worse. that the person will just walk away leaving you. Okay, what improves in your love path is, so after all this mess, either you or your person will put some healthy boundaries, or they'll put some boundaries, or you will put some boundaries, which will make you to fight the challenges what you are facing. So everyone needs their own space. If at all you are not giving respect and space to each other, which is the reason for the conflicts what you are facing, and the path what will improve after your retrospection, the path what improves in your life is, you or your person will build a or form your person will build a healthy boundaries, which will help you or your person to fight back the challenges you are facing in this relationship. So what to focus on this week is, so as I said, you have some financial opportunity popping in your life this week. So don't just ignore this opportunity, because I can see you are ignoring everything and you are sulking in your own pain, and you are trying to retrospect what is happening in your love life, because your person is feeling betrayed, and they are heartbroken, and there is a chance that they may leave you because of all the issues, which is all making you to feel depressed. So you are ignoring everything in your life. So, but your spirits are asking you not to ignore anything, because it's a divine blessing coming your way. You need to cherish it and embrace this offer coming your way. Okay? And the blessing what you will have in this week is transformation. You will be finally transformed. This transformation may be painful for you, because you and your partner are going through a lot of pain, but the transformation is much needed in order to save yourself and accept the opportunity coming your way, in order to be abundant and in order to have a powerful role or powerful career in your life. Eventually, don't worry, you'll retrospect. Though there are issues between you and your partner right now, because of this healthy boundaries, you will see growth and success in the future. Okay, for now, just let it go and give space to each other and respect each other, and concentrate on the blessing coming in, which will eventually transform you and make you successful. Hope this resonates. Comment me below if it resonates. Thank you for joining Spirit Sunday. Stay blessed, stay protected, and I'll see you in tomorrow's reading.